How are you? I'm so glad to be here again. What a week. Oh my God, not even what a week, what a past couple of weeks. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph, what is going on in the world? What is going on in my country? How are you guys? ¿Cómo están? I am in awe, in shock, terrified, and at the same time, I have a lot of will to fight for our country, fight for the world, fight for what's right. I have never in my life would I have thought I'd be living through a year like 2020, let alone the pandemic. I mean, the pandemic itself is bad enough. If it were just the pandemic, it would be bad, but not as bad. But when you have a year where month after month after month has been something new and scary and possibly life-altering forever, meaning permanently, ay Dios mío. Ay Dios mío. I mean, it's been a year. I don't know. I have woken up sometimes and really just had to pinch myself several times because I feel like I am living either in a dream or an alternate universe. I cannot believe all this is happening. What is going on? Seriously, what is going on? I'm not sure what's going on your countries other than COVID, but here in the US, things have been intense, to say the least. Things have been really changing course very fast. It feels almost as if I were a spectator in my own country. Why? I mean, what is going on? I mean, it can't be possible that companies and the powers that be, whatever it is, what's going on here? You know, that's how I feel. I feel like I'm living in an alternate universe. I've been a little bit off the edge. I mean, I haven't even wanted to go out shopping because I'm so anxious. I know I might do a lot of damage to my credit card, which is not something that I want to do mid-pandemic when the economy is what it is. And Jesus, Mary, and Joseph, ay Dios mío, I mean, we started the year with wildfires in Australia. After that, it just started to one thing after another, tweet after tweet after thing after thing. It's been a very interesting 2020, one for the books, I will say. But I'm speechless. At the same time, it's very important for all of us to muster up the courage, muster up the strength to fight for this country, which is our country, the United States of America, right? We the people. It's not the government, it's not the powers that be, it's we the people who decide where this country should go. And I think the people have spoken loud and clearly that we want to fight for the environment. We want to fight for social justice. We want to fight for all that is right. It's been a very interesting past 2 weeks. Yeah, I'll leave it at that. I don't know what to say other than register to vote. There is still time to register to vote. I'm not going to tell you who to vote for. That is unconstitutional. People go out and vote. I don't care how you vote, just do it. It's not going to take a lot of your time. Registering, I swear to you, is not even a 15-minute process. You can do so online. Check your state's guidelines for deadlines and how to vote. I promise you, registering to vote does not take you more than 15 minutes, and go out and vote. Mis latinos, mi comunidad, es importantísimo, mi gente bellísima, que por favor nos registremos para votar, que vayamos a votar también. Este es nuestro país. Esto es nuestro país y yo como una latina de primera generación lo debo a este país que me ha dado tantas oportunidades, el ir a votar. el ejercer mi voto. Y ahora nos toca a nosotros, por medio del voto, decir qué rumbo queremos para nuestro país y para nuestros paisanos y nuestra comunidad. Nuestro voto va a determinar el destino, el rumbo, el final de nuestra comunidad latina. Entonces, no tengan miedo de ir a votar. Regístrense para votar. Por favor, es extremadamente importante. Vayamos a votar todos. Hagamos que nuestra voz sea escuchada en este país, porque tenemos derecho a votar y tenemos derecho a decidir el rumbo que tiene nuestro país y nuestra comunidad. So that was my little PSA in Spanish. I just really want to make sure that everyone goes out and votes. It's extremely important. It's extremely important. And I'm gonna end the video on that. Yes. Yeah, I've just been baffled this whole week. I mean, these past 2 weeks, it's been like, I don't know. I feel like I'm living an out-of-body experience. I don't know what's going on. There's so much chaos everywhere, but within the chaos, I'm gonna go out and vote. I don't care what happens. I'm gonna vote by mail, actually. That's just how I want to vote. But y'all can vote however y'all want to. That's your prerogative. I'm ready to vote. I got my little envelope ready. Well, where is it? So I'm excited to deposit this vote. This vote is going out to the candidate with a lot of hope. Yeah, so go out and vote. Your vote counts, people. I promise you, this right here is it means so much to the country. It's very important for our community as well. We want to make sure we vote for someone who's actually going to fight for our rights, the rights of the Latino community and our concerns as well, right? You know, in one way or another, I know that the Latino community has helped build this country, and it's still not time that we are recognized our contributions and what we still contribute. I mean, if it weren't for Latinos, the food chain would have been broken months ago. So just that. But there's so much more we've done for this country. We've helped build this country, and each and every one of us holds the future of our country in our hands. So this is going out with a lot of hope. This is going out with a lot of I just want to say hope and hope again. I can't think of another word right now, but please know your vote counts. It counts so much. We can never forget it. This goes out with a lot of love to my country. This goes out with a lot of love to every single American. This vote goes out to my beautiful America, my beautiful United States of America. Yeah, so go out and vote. Voten. It doesn't take long, I promise. It's actually really fun. It's an activity you can do with your family. I'm repeating myself, but just go out and vote. Oh, go out and vote. So, mis amores, besitos. Girl, we gotta fight for our forests. We gotta fight for our wild tuna. We gotta fight for the whales. We gotta fight for renewable energy. We gotta fight for the polar bears. I don't want the polar bears to go extinct. I don't want the polar bears to go extinct. Did you know whales are an endangered species? Whales? We can't let that happen, people. We can't let polar bears be an endangered species. I mean, we just can't let it do it. So, hey, if your motivation is polar bears or whales or less plastic in the ocean or more money for schools or whatever it is, if you really care about whatever cause is dear to your heart, show it by voting. No one's asking you to go spill blood, right? Our ancestors did that. Our forefathers and foremothers did that for us already. We just have to keep the torch lit up. Vote, okay? I'm gonna be quiet. Besitos, and I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, by the way, it's sweater weather. Look, ooh, it's fall. Yes, okay. And I want to wear my glasses right now, but I know the light is gonna appear on the glasses, so okay. Nuevamente, besitos, register to vote, and I'll see you. Subscribe and all that good stuff. Comment down below and all that good stuff, and ciao.